Okay. So yeah, we'll see. So how to install Oracle Linux with the customization partitions. So like if you want to your own partitions like this, you can create the partitions. For that, you have to select custom partitions. So let me create a VM. So yeah. Okay. So yes, here this is the name I provided. Here I can give the path where you want to keep this backend. So I can keep D folder, VB folder. Yes, select, click on. So here you can say, here you can select the Oracle Linux. There is a Oracle Linux. You can select hardware. So how much memory you can give? Suppose I want to give 7 GB. So 7048 MB means 7 GB. So hard disk how much you can give? Suppose I want to give 400 GB. Yes, you can give 200, 300, whatever. If you give 400 GB, I can create more partitions. I can assign more space. Click on finish. You can create a VM, give the VM name, and give the path, and give the RAM, how much memory you want to assign, how much storage. So go to settings, you can see display. Here you can select this VBox SVGA, then storage. You can assign the operating system. So you can see here, this is the Oracle Linux 8.10. Click on choose. Yes, this attached to the Oracle Linux 8.10 operating system. Go to network folder. So here click on bridge adapter. What are the settings you need to do? So here system, you can keep a USB multi-touch tablet. Go to the display. Here you can use select this one. Storage. Here you can attach the software. Network. You can keep the bridge adapter. Click on OK. Okay. Now you can start the virtual machine. So the virtual machine is going to start and it's going to booting the with the operating system. It's going to start the installation using operating system which we download and attach to the Oracle Linux 8.10 version. So let's see. Click on enter. It's going to start the installation procedure. Click on escape. Without checking, it's going to start the installation process. Let's wait. Okay, so the already the document I shared. So okay, the same document you can use while installation. You can see in this all the screenshot, all the steps are there. You can say here, click on new, the name. Okay, so Linux, Oracle Linux, then assign the memory, then hard disk. So you can follow this document, you can finish your end. Okay, by seeing this record, plus with this document, you can install your end. If you have any challenges, let me know. Yeah. So you can say, yeah, welcome to Oracle Linux 8.10. This is the version we installing. Click on continue. So the default English only. Select the language. So here you can say, so here, so these are the things we need to finish. So here you can see the installation. Okay, okay, here you can see the installation destination. So what type of partition we have to follow? Custom partition. Automatic means, so it's going to create automatic partitions. We don't want automatic. We installed last time. So we have to go with the custom partition because I need my own partitions. So click on done. Select the storage configuration custom. Click on done. Then here you can say click here, create them automatically. So let's create automatically. First you can say these are the mount points created automatically. So slash home, how much assign? 322 GB assign slash home. So let me assign 50 GB slash home. Yes. So let me create my own partition. So what is the own partition? Slash backup. Slash backup, how much you want to require? Slash backup. Suppose, okay. So 70 GB. Yes, 70 G means 70 GB. Add mount point. Slash backup mount point added. You can say 70 GB added. So next available space 200 GB, still total 400 GB I added. Out of 400 GB, these are the mount points occupied 200 GB, the remaining 200 GB available space is available. Then click on plus slash U01. Slash U01, how much you required? Suppose, okay, 80 GB. Okay. So 80 or 70, that's fine. Add mount point. So next till slash U02, how much you required slash U02? Suppose here also 60 GB required. Yes. Still 70 is there. Wall slash wall mount point. Suppose slash mount point I required 20 GB or 25 GB. Yes. Slash data I required 70 GB. Yes, I can say. I added many mount points. These are my custom mount points. These are the mount points I required. That's why I go with a custom partition. Initially, it's created automatically. Later, I modified. So now you can say available space 1.7 GB. That's fine. You can say here, let me increase slash home. Let me keep 40. Yes. So there is a swap memory is there. Let me increase the swap memory. Can say swap memory. So let me go with 15 GB. 15. Yeah. So now, yeah. So now available space till 3 GB is there. That's fine. Then you can click on done. This is how you can create the partitions. What are the partitions required? You can just you can create the partitions. Yes, here you can create. You can say custom partition select network. So in the network you can enable the network card. You can give the host name linux1 dot oracle.com. Okay, so configure. So here go to general tab, click on select the set mark, click on save, then click on apply, then click on done. Network we completed. Then go to software selection. So you can select all the things, all the components. Let me select all the components. Okay, so I selected all the things. Click on done. Next, time and date. Go to time and date. Select the IST. You can say Asia Kolkata. Click on done. Then root password. What is the root password? Oracle. While installation, we have to provide the password for this root user. Root is the default user in Linux. So the username is root. User creation. If you want to create a user creation extra ABC, but the password also ABC. You can give any password, any username. I given ABC username and password also same. Okay, I can say I complete time and date. Asia Colota selected. Software selection completed. Custom partition selected. Network security. Everything is done. Then click on begin installation. It's going to install all the models which you select. So it takes time to install all the things. So almost it like 20 minutes it takes time to install all the models. Then after, so we have to just you can check the license agreement. Then you can log into Linux system. Okay, let's wait. Okay, so did you install in your end? Yes. Anyone still not at install this, not yet set up lab environment in your laptop? If not, please set up lab environment in your laptop. While installation, if you have any issue, just ping me in the same WhatsApp group. Someone will connect you. They will help you. Because so we have to practice these all the classes. When you set up the lab environment, then only you can practice. Without lab setup, only listen the classes means it's not useful. Okay, let's finish the installation. Almost okay. It's good. Okay, it's as of now, almost 1100 plus packages installed. Just let's wait. Okay. 21 need. Okay, so system laptop assistant. Okay, just ping me. I will guide you. Okay. So I will share the on contact. Okay, they will help you to set up the laptop. Okay, either a Lenovo ThinkPad or a Dell Latitude. These two are good for this course. Okay, so let's wait. Almost done. Let's wait a few more minutes. Yeah, almost done. Let's see. Maybe it takes 5 more minutes. Yeah, you can see the complete the installation completed. Okay, so after install all the packages, so we have to click on reboot system. Now the reboot system is enabled option. So let me click. Okay, so the system is rebooting. After rebooting, we have to accept the license agreement. Then we have to log into the Linux system. We'll see. You can see. So okay, after rebooting, we have to click on license information, accept, then click on done, finish configuration. Okay, so let's wait. Now we can log in with default user root, password Oracle, the same password we provided while installation. Let's wait more minutes. Okay, so let me log in. So root user, password Oracle. Oh, can say the same password Oracle. Able to log in with the Linux system, Linux server. So activities, open the terminal. Here you can see the, yes, here you can give the commands. Okay, so this is the network card is connected. So here you can see the mount points. Default, what are the mount points we configured? So yes, slash wall, you can see slash wall how much total? It's a 23 MB, slash user 2 60 GB, slash user 1 70 GB, slash home 40 GB, slash backup 70 GB, slash data 70 GB. Like this, these all are our own mount points we created. The remaining all are system created. So this is the same. If you want to connect, let me click on this. If you want to connect for this mission, putty, yes, you can connect. Yeah. So if config to know the IP address, what is the IP address assigned? 192.168.0.127. Let me open putty. Yes, 192.168.0.127. So accept, root user, password, Oracle. Yeah. So if you want to increase the font size, right click on the open terminal, change window, appearance, change. Okay. So click on OK, click on apply. You can say df-h, you can see the mount points, all the commands you can run here. So this is how you can set up the Oracle Linux installation with the customization. not a default one. Okay, so let